Lionel Messi, the Argentinian and the PSG football star, in the training ground for the first time after his suspension expired. As the previous few weeks, PSG announced to suspend Lionel Messi for the, of course, disciplinary cases as he set a trip to Saudi Arabia, something which was just contrary, and he was just suspended by the club. And of course, his suspension is over now, and he has been joined with the club. As before joining this club, he also apologized the club teammates and the fans for what he did. And in fact, Lionel Messi is just now training here, ready for the last matches of the League One and French. As in fact, PSG is just in need of the good results so as to win that Premier League. And it is spotted by different media that Lionel Messi is just expecting to leave the club at the summer season, as different bids from Al Hilal Football Club and Barcelona Football Club have shown their